Having trouble checking in online with American Airlines? Here's a quick guide to help you resolve the issue. First of all, check for common issues. Ensure your passport information matches your booking and verify if your flight requires in person check in due to international travel or security screenings like SSSS. After that, try checking in using both the American Airlines app and their website. Sometimes one works when the other doesn't. Then, if you are still unable to check in, contact American Airlines customer service at 1-888-925-7203 for assistance. They can help resolve booking issues for provide alternative check-in options. Plan to arrive early at the airport. You can check in at kiosk or with an agent who is often resolves the issue quickly. Be prepared for possible extra security screening, especially if you see the SSSS code on your boarding pass. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to handle any online check in issues with American Airlines Safe Travels. Thanks for watching.